caviar! Hi, welcome to Under Fedora. Today we're going to make Spanish mackerel croquettes and double fried French fries. So what I'm doing right now is I have a bowl of water. I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar that's going to get rid of most of the starch in the potatoes. So I'm just going to add like a little splash, probably a little too much, but what that will do is get rid of the starch in the potatoes, and then I'm going to dice up the potatoes for the French fries so they're nice and even, so they'll cook evenly. So I'm back, and I'm gonna slice up the potatoes. I have this potato slicer. You can dice up anything in it. It's perfect because they get even slices. So what I'm just gonna do is take the potato and squeeze. I'll pop into the water and vinegar bath. So this is what we're going to be doing, and the water will also clean them, so we haven't cleaned them, and I personally like it with the skins on because it gets you more nutrition, so that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, so I'm back, and today I'm just going to show you how to flake the mackerel because we're flaking it. So what we did was we boiled it lightly with a little bit of salt, and then you have to let them cool till you can flake them. So what you want to do is take off all the skin like we've done right here, and then what you want to do is start poking them around until you get like what I'm doing right here. You just want to like push them around like this just till you get like these little flakes. So you want to do around 10 or 15 little fillets of mackerel. And in mackerel, especially in mackerel in general, there's a lot of bones, so you have to be careful. We filleted these like really well, so there shouldn't be a lot of bones, but there's gonna be some bones. Right now I'm just gonna I'm sorting out some onions and celery for the croquettes. So we have all the Spanish mackerel flaked, and we're just gonna do this. I'll be back with the croquettes. Hi, so these potatoes have been sitting here for around 20 minutes. As you can see, all the most of the starch is out, and we have this oil here. The first time we bake them, we fry them. We're gonna fry them at around 300 degrees for 5 minutes, and so the vinegar bath really helps. So we're gonna start taking them out. Make sure most of the water's out, and put them in. Hello. The potatoes have been cooking for around 5 minutes. Once we take them out, they have to completely cool, and we're going to turn it to around 325-ish to 8.5 on this. So it would best be using a spider colander, which has all these small holes so the oil will drain out, but we don't have one, so I'm just going to use these. So stick it in and take it out. So notice that they're not cooked fully yet. So that's because we're gonna double fry them, which means they'll have a soft inside but a crispy outside. Okay, so we're gonna make the croquettes right now. We have hush puppy mix with the onions and celery right here. So Right now I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of water so it can be a batter. 1, and then so right now I'm gonna pour the fish in, the Spanish mackerel, flakes, all of it in there. Just mix it around a little. All the hush puppy mix is incorporated into the batter. So that's what it should. This is what it should look like. And then I'm gonna take this. I want to take about a spoonful, like we did with the mushrooms. Put it in your hand. Make sure that your hands are clean. Make it into a little ball. And then place it on. Take 1. Okay, so we have all the crochets, and so these have been sitting in there for around 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes. It's time to take them out. This one kind of fell apart, so we'll take that one out first. Put that in the corner. And then take this one out. Good one. So,
I'm gonna take a bite of it.
okay. Here it is. It has everything in the middle. The fish, sewed. It's very simple to make, so. And then all I have to do is make the fries and the other hush puppies, and that will be up next. Okay, so we have the French fries here. So what I'm gonna do is take them. They've been in here. We turned the heat up to 350. They've been in here for around five or so minutes. So just take them all out. Always important to use the same oil if you're cooking it all at once, because you don't want to use oil, vegan oil, another type of oil, so you have to waste money. So let's just take this out. Okay, so they're all out, and it's important to season while they're hot because it'll stick on. So since we can't have a lot of salt, we'll just put some garlic powder on. So pull it down. Small one. It's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Okay, so we're picking up the zucchini and summer squash. Let me just turn this off. Oop. We're just gonna put it in the oven with everything else to keep warm.
Turn on this light. Make sure your head down and everything down.
So, I'm eating the croquettes that we made, the french fries that we made, and the mango salsa that we made. We added some cilantro into the mango salsa with a little bit of salsa that gives it a little kick. So, thank you for watching this Fedora. I'll see you next time.
And here's the fisherman, Tristan,
Oh.
who caught all the fish.